Hi everyone, class project time. We are going to be looking at time remapping. So I've got a practice file called Slowmo04 in your exercise files. Practice with that. I want you to do that kind of ramp where we, plays along and then kind of slows down at a critical point. In this case, is a kickflip. Okay, so somewhere in here, slow it down. I also want you to just practice with that one and then use your own footage. Okay, either your own footage or something from Pixels or somewhere else online. It doesn't have to be originally slow motion footage, okay, or high frame rate, just any sort of interesting footage that you want to slow down, okay, you can apply that time remapping to. Now, everyone's going to be using different stuff, so share in the comments any troubles you had and any solutions you found to those. So a reminder for you, like frame blending, okay, something you're gonna have to jump into and probably experiment with, and the timing, and yeah, be just great for you to share any problems, any solutions to help other people as well. Upload, share the link, share on social media. Love to see what you're doing. Make sure you tag me, and that's it. Enjoy the time remapping, speed ramping, slow-mo goodness.